everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to Lisa B. So today is my kind of go-to morning stretch when the body's a little bit cold. So lots of moving stretches today, so around 10 minutes. It's actually good for any time of the day, but it's kind of my go-to morning routine. So let's get into a nice little cat-cow. So wrists under the shoulders, knees under the hips. We are going to take an inhale, exhale. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Now let's go move in the spine. So really round in the back, drop the head. Lower the belly, chest through, head up. Stick the bottom out, round in the back. So lots of nice movements for the spine. Couple more. Good, and then we are going to take our right arm up, look up, and down, other side. Inhale, open, exhale, close, inhale, open, exhale, close. Oh, you might get a few back cracks, I just got one then. Oh, and another one. Oh, bonus rounds today. Let's do a couple more. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Good, and let's do a moving cat-cow. So onto the fingertips. Bring the bottom down to the feet, round the spine. Come forward, flatten the hands, lower the belly, chest through. Fingertips, come back. Forward. One more time. Good, and then we are going to come up. So bring your right foot forward. We're just going to make this a moving hamstring and hip flexor stretch. So again, lots of movement, just warming the body up. This would be actually really great before a workout, and actually after a workout as well, anytime. You don't really want to hold those static, still stretches when you're cold. So now bring the torso up. So I'm going to open my chest as if I'm trying to open my chest towards the sky. Now I'm going to place the left hand down, open, come up, open the chest, hand down, open, hand down. One more time. Good, just hold this hamstring just for a couple of seconds. Good, we're going to do the other side. Stay in there, I'm just turning around so you can see. So left foot forward, moving hip flexor. Good, just breathe. Good, and then come into a nice still position with the torso. Open the chest as if you're opening the chest towards the sun. Hand down. You can even lift the back knee if that feels okay. Keep it down if that's too much. And again, coming up, open. Nice deep breaths. One more of these. And then we are just going to hold that hamstring just for a couple of seconds. Good. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. And then come round onto your back. Let's just do some nice little moving back stretches. So right knee in, left leg up, flex your left leg. Try and get the longest line between your left heel and the hip. So nice straight long line, feeling in the calf. Pull the tummy muscles in, lower the leg. Relax your left ankle, circles with the right foot. Bring that right knee over to the left. Keep the right shoulder down, then look to your right. Good. Come back, bring both knees in. Extend the right, up towards the ceiling rather, right leg up. Flex your foot, really nice long straight line between the heel and the hip. Tummy muscles in, start to lower, nice and controlled. Relax it, circles with the left foot. Left knee, pull it over to the right, look to the left, take the twist. Good. Coming back up, bring the knees in. We're going to roll through the spine a few times just to wake up those muscles of the back. Good. Come up, cross legs, legs out in front of you if that's not comfortable. So move in, twist. So we're going to lift the arms but not the shoulders. Inhale, lift. Try not to hunch, so keep your shoulders relaxed. Exhale, twist. Look behind you. Center, inhale. Exhale, twist. One more each way. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Good. We're going to bring our feet over to the side. So you should be leaning a little bit. So feet to the side. Place your hand by your feet. Come over. Should feel a really good stretch. Don't go directly to the side, not forward or back. And now over. So again, just keep this moving. Lovely stretch for the side of the body. One more. Good. Coming over. Feet to the side, hand down. Feel like really intense stretch down that side. Good. One more each way. Good. And then come back into a 4-point kneeling just for a stretch and a tiny little bit of strength. So tummy muscles in, left arm, right leg. Reach, really lengthen here, just waking up those back muscles. Opposite side, lengthen. And down, just one more each way. So you're just waking up the body. Good, and let's take a twist. So, little bend in your right leg, tiny little bend here. Hold on to the right leg with the left arm. Open the right arm behind you, look behind you. Keep long in the spine, not holding it for too long. Other side. Straighten the right leg, little bend in your left leg. Left arm behind you. Stay long in the spine. Come forward. Let's just do a couple of head circles. Get rid of any tension in the neck. Drop your shoulders. Bring the shoulders back. And then just drop your chin to your chest with a nice stretch at the back of the neck. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed. This is just a really quick morning wake up and go stretch, or before a workout, just when the muscles are cold. Thank you so much for joining. Please hit the like button, press subscribe, turn on the notifications by hitting the bell. Let me know any requests you have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon.